Hi everybody, we are doing the area model for multiplication. So if you have this worksheet, you can follow along and it's color coded, so it'll help you with the steps while you're learning. And if you don't have this, you can get it from the description below. It comes with 36 questions, and we also have standard algorithm and partial products as well with the same numbers. But for the area model, I'm also going to draw one here in case you don't have it and want to see how to do it with just a blank piece of paper. So we are doing 37 times 6. Take a look at that first number. How many digits does it have? It has 2 digits. We have the 3, which is 30, and then we have the 7, which is 7. So that's why when I drew this, I did 2 boxes. One for the 30 and one for the 7. 37. And then on here, it's the same thing. It's 37. And then we're multiplying the 37 times 6. 6 only has 1 digit, so we're going to put it here. And we're not going to have to go down any further. It's just 1 digit here. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So along the top, take this 37 and put it in expanded form. The 3 is really 30, and that'll go here. And it's green, it's color-coded, so if you get stuck, that can help kind of bring you back in. And then here's the 7 in the blue box. So all we're doing is taking this number and splitting it up. 37 times 6. So the 6 is a different number. It's on the other side of the multiplication, right? So it's going to come down here. Okay. And then if you were drawing your own again, here's what that would look like. You would just write 37 times 6. The reason the 6 is over here is because it is on the other team. But the 30 and the 7 are the same team. They're next to each other. Okay, now we're ready to start multiplying. Basically with the area model, all we're doing is we're saying, okay, I can't do 37 times 6 in my head. But if I take it step by step and break this number up, I could do 30 times 6 and 7 times 6. So that's what I'm going to do. So in other words, I can do 30 times 6, and then I can do 7 times 6. And all this is just a little space for you to put it so that you don't forget anything. The area model is really spatial. We're just drawing boxes and filling them in. So in this first box, you're going to do 6 times 30. And in the second box, you're going to do 6 times 7. And then you're just going to add them all together. So you can go ahead and pause the video and give that a try if you'd like to, and then unpause and check your work with me, or you can do it with me right now. We're going to do 6 times 30, and 6 times 30 is way easier than it sounds because anytime you're multiplying something with a 0, you can just cover the 0 and do the multiplication without it, and then stick the 0 back on at the end. So we're going to cover it. 6 times 3 is 18, and then we just put a 0. So 6 times 30 is 180. And then here we'll do 6 times 7. So this is a good time to know your multiplication facts. This is one of the reasons why we memorize them, because it makes things like this so much easier, but you can also use a times table or something like that if you need it. But 6 times 7 is 42. So we're going to put that right here. While you're doing these, if you get stuck, you can use the colors to help you. So this one is green and red, so we did green times red, and then this one is blue and red, so we did blue times red. And that can just kind of help be a nice reminder. So again, 6 times 30 was 180, 6 times 7 is 42. The last step is just to add these together, because we basically did 6 times 37, because we did 6 times 30 and 6 times 7, and now we just have to put these two together, and then you'll be finished. So if you have this, these boxes can really help you because it'll help you see how many digits everything should be. And if not, you can just add up those two numbers. Okay, 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we got 222.